Hello friends, today I'm going to show you the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 silicone case. I know this product is very rare to find and you will not get in internet or in any of the Amazon or Flipkart, but if you buy it from Samsung store, some stores are keeping this in their stock. So the colors there those are available is one is this blue and another one. Sorry for the cover, I found this in this way from the store, but inside it is in good quality. I have already checked out the item here, so I have opened only one side of the seal, so let's open the other side and do the honors. So the thing is, you get one lavender color, one is this blue color that you're having. I think there is also a white color too, and also we get another color that is called as it's a bit tight. I don't know why. It's really hard. Let's give me a minute. Let me cut this up. Okay, we can go ahead and cut here. I think this is very hard there. We'll go ahead and cut it here. That's done. We'll open this up. Okay, here we go. We have three seals here, one in the bottom and one in the side, left hand side and one on the right hand side. So let's open this up. As you can see, the packaging is really nice, and we get a manual here. I don't know what is this. I haven't checked this out yet. So this is a normal terms and conditions manual. We don't need this, but it has also mentioned here like we can use the NFC and everything with this case on. So it's really tight here. It's like it's already holding on to the phone. And what more we get here, it's the phones. Okay, here it is mentioned how to install with your phone. So I have my Note 9 here, as you can see here. We can go ahead and push it. The way it is asking is that you need to first push the phone here on the top end side. Okay, be really careful about it because it is a silicone case, but still it is really hard than the other silicone case that I had earlier with my S8. So it is installed now. Yes, it's installed. Now it is quite handy and soft. The material is really nice, and also you get a good cutout for your cameras and as well as the fingerprint sensor. As you can see, there is a slope here, so it is really nice so that it will be easier for you in dark places to find out the fingerprint sensor. Also, nowadays the fingerprint sensor works as a notification shade drop down like this, so it is really easy to use. So as you can see here, also my friends, I would like to share that I'm using the white stone dome glass on this Note 9. As you can see, it is a good tempered glass. I would recommend you to buy the white stone dome glass screen protector for your Note 9 or Google Pixel 3 phones, because since we are buying a so expensive phone, we should get a good tempered glass for your screen protection. And I know it's really costly in India, but it is also really costly in US and other countries. So you can go ahead and buy this screen protector. It's a very nice one. And as you can see, I will show you some white pages here. See, you will be not be feeling like you're having a screen protector here. So this was a bonus information for you, my friends. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 silicone case cover. It's a, as usual, it is the same as we get on the earlier Samsung, or we get on the iPhone case. So it is the same quality, I feel. Also, before installation, I might have forgot to mention you that we do have the, 1 minute, let me open this up. It's really tight. I don't know why, but it's really tight. Might be because hasn't been taken off or taken out a lot of time. So as you can see here, the material here is really same, and it is a velvet finish to it. So it will not scratch your phone if you don't have anything installed. Like I have installed a screen protector here, but I will be removing it very soon because as you can see these get scratched a lot, and the back looks is totally gone. So I will be removing this screen protector, and I will be using this case. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions regarding this product, I will be very happy to help you out. Do subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends who want to know about this case and what we get inside the box. Thank you for watching, my friends. Bye bye.